Let me explain briefly about the assignments. If you listen to what I'm saying carefully, you will suddenly find much more information as to what is expected, what you are supposed to be doing, and how to make it not a burden but a learning experience. Your subject, New Technology Alignment, is made up of 4 separate pieces of assessment. The first one is your weekly discussion forum. You will have to participate every week in the discussion forum. Each week you go through certain material that I will be posting online. Once you have read the material, and remember, there is a lot of material that I have put up there. In fact, I'm thankful to earlier tutors like Dr. Bob Godfrey and a few others who have provided significant input into this course, which I am continuing to upgrade, and even some of the past students of these subjects. So you will find there is a lot of material, and you don't need to go through all the links that I have provided, but it depends on what your interest is and where you want to go with the subject. So the first important thing to know is you have to participate in the discussion forums based on whatever material you have read. Remember, although this is a distance education program wherein it is you and I one-on-one, it is also carefully construed so that you learn from each other. By Wednesday night, Sydney time or Melbourne time, or approximately Australian Eastern time, you should have posted your first comment, and that's a must. So you have gone through the material, you have posted your comment. There will be a bit more material to go through, but all students will have posted their minimum first comment by Wednesday. Then from Thursday morning till Saturday night, you are expected to pass counter comment on what other fellow students have posted. And then on Sunday, I'll go through all the comments. In fact, I will be going through and following all the tracks, all the discussions that you will be having. Occasionally, I will put in a comment to let you know that I'm reading, I'm listening. On Sunday, I'll go through all the material and give you your marks for that week. Although all marks for each week are coming out of 2 points per week, and I have explained all of that on the website. Eventually this is a 20-mark exercise, 20%. Then comes the first assignment. There are 3 assignments or 3 writing exercises that you have to do. First is 20 marks, and you negotiate a topic with me, and more or less whatever you want to go into, whichever direction you want to take, I'll say yes to it. But I want to stress that this is a new information technology alignment. So I appreciate there is rocket science, and there is biotechnologies, and there are so many fascinating fields of technology, but we are primarily focusing on information technology. We are working towards how to use these technologies in business. So we are aligning these technologies to business. So cloud computing, for example, might be of interest to you, or service-oriented architecture, or agile methods, or ITIL as a standard, or COBIT and its innovations. All of this you are learning, but from a point of view of applying it to your business. So that's the first assignment. The second assignment is worth 30 marks, and that is developing a topic in information technology architecture, or in some area of architecture. Could be cloud architecture, could be service-oriented architecture itself, enterprise architecture, but primarily moving towards architecting the information, knowledge, and decision making within the organization. Now remember, you have to try and apply this in your practice. If you are a consultant, if you are a person who has just changed job, or you are between jobs, that's fine. You have to ensure though that you can pick any of these organizations that you have worked with as an example and apply the knowledge you are gaining in this subject to that organization. Again, keep checking with me, I'm here to help. And the last assignment, which is also 30 marks, is actually taking up a business problem and investigating how that problem can be solved using one or more of the technologies that you have studied in this subject. So that's the 4 parts. First is a discussion forum, which is 20 points, 20 marks. Second is assignment 1, which is again 20 marks. Third is a full-fledged assignment 2, that is 30 marks. And last is assignment 4 that investigates business problem, which you will be finishing probably after the 13th week, and that's worth 30 marks. So I hope you will find it enjoyable. I have certainly enjoyed teaching this subject in the past. I'm quite passionate about it. I teach and I learn as well, and I continuously look for improvements in the subject so that you get the latest material that I have to present and to provide. So good luck to you. Be in touch with me. Participate in the discussion forums. If you have any issues, if you have any need for going out of town, traveling due to business, and intermittent logins, or if you have unfortunately a family member who is unwell or something like that, please contact me as soon as you can. Otherwise, I'm sure you're going to enjoy the subject, and I want to make this a good, memorable experience for you. See you. Bye.